This 2027 Load Trail, GP 102x34 Low Pro Gooseneck Trailer Max Ramps 25.9K is a Deckover, flat deck trailer. It is located in Buhl, Idaho, 83316 and is offered for sale by Idaho Trailer Sales. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new load trail is 34 feet 0 inches in length. The unloaded weight of this 2027 load trail, GP 102x34 Low Pro Gooseneck Trailer Max Ramps 25.9K is 8,540 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Idaho Trailer Sales.